the fucking car alarm. It's going off. It's fucking loud as shit. We're at a PetSmart and it's fucking loud. Mom's trying to unlock the door. It's not doing anything. Hey, it stopped. Yay. It worked. Well.
Did you hit anything?
No, I tried to unlock the door to close the window, and then the car alarm worked out.
The keys.
Oh, yeah.
Don't do that.
I didn't know that would happen.
The window's open?
No, I tried to open the window.
Don't do anything.
Bye. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna continue my review here, and if you unlock this door without the keys, the car alarm will go off. Just thought you should know that. Fucking important. What else am I gonna do? Oh yeah, my shoes. This is my one shoe. It's an Adidas old style piece of shit shoe that I totally did not take care of. Oh, look, that's a good focus right there. Oh my god, I'm losing my voice. It's probably not good to talk right now, because I will not have a voice tomorrow. As you can see, not really good shape. I've had this for like maybe a year. Everything's coming out. Everything is kind of shitty. I don't think the other shoe's much better, to be honest. This is the other shoe. As you can see, we have a little skid mark right here. Fixable, but, you know, I don't fucking care. More fuzz going on. Jeez. Worn out. Not as bad as the other shoe. Actually, I could fix this up, to be honest. Shave off the fuzz, you know, get rid of the marks, clean it up a bit, make it look nice. But with the other shoe, look at this. This is just fucking beyond repair. You have shit on the bottom. You have shit on this side. I don't know how well that'll come off. You have this bullshit. It's all crinkled. Bullshit. Bunch of bullshit right there. And, yeah. So I'm not gonna give my shoes a good rating. Jesus Christ. Oh, shit, what's this? I'm scared to touch this door now. Oh, this is some insurance thing. I don't wanna show you guys that. What else? What else can I do? This is oh, fuck. Oh, shit.